If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If a customer overpays an invoice, QuickBooks Online generates a customer credit when the payment is entered into the Receive Payment window. To enter an overpayment, enter the payment the same way as you would enter a full payment on an invoice. Simply select the customer, enter the payment date, payment method, deposit account, and amount. QuickBooks Online applies the total amount received to fully pay the oldest customer invoices until the total amount received has been dispersed. The amount attributed to each invoice appears in the payment column for each invoice. When entering an overpayment, note the Amount to Credit field in the lower right corner of the window under the list of outstanding transactions. This field shows the amount of the overpayment. For example, entering a $150 payment for a customer that has $100 of open invoices shows an amount to credit of $50. When you save the payment using one of the buttons in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen, it will generate a customer credit for the selected customer in the amount of the overpayment. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.